Hello friends, subscribe Tricknology and press the bell icon to never miss the updates.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Tricknology. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to fix auto restart or auto shutdown in your Windows 10 computer. So you just need to follow me and don't forget to subscribe our channel Tricknology. So at first you need to open Runbox on your computer, just pressing Windows and I button together. And after that you will get this Runbox. So now you have to type over there Regedit. Okay, so I will give this command to my video description. After that click on this OK button. Now I have to click on yes button over there. So after that you have to expand this local machine, H key local machine, and after that expand software, and under software you will get one folder is called policies, and then expand Microsoft, and under Microsoft you will get one folder is called Windows. So as you can see under Windows there was no Windows update folder is there. So you have to right click on Windows and click on new and then click on key, and after that you have to type over there Windows and then update without any space and click on OK. So now right click on Windows update and click on new again and click on key. Now you have to type over there AU. So as you can see under Windows update there is a folder is called AU. So now right click on AU and you have to create one dword or keyword value. So what you have to do, you need to first go to your My Computer and click on this PC and right click on Windows on this blank portion, and after that click on Properties. Now here you will get one option is called System Type, is 32-bit or 64-bit. So in my case it is 64-bit. So I will create a keyword value. So click on new and keyword value 64-bit. If in your case it is 32-bit, then you have to create a dword 32-bit value. So I will create one keyword 64-bit value over there. Now you have to type over there no auto reboot then with logged on users. Okay, and after that click on there and right click on no auto reboot with logged on user and click on modify, and after that you have to set the value data 1 and click on OK. Now you have to reboot your computer, means restart your computer. After that it will fix your restart or auto shutdown problem in your Windows 10 computer.